Three, two, one.
One.
Subscribe to
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Three,
You guys
two,
are very
one.
disorganized.
Subscribe to Age
So
Patrol.
in the next manga episode, I'm pretty sure
You guys are
Naruto dies,
shit.
right?
Hey, Amy, do a funny for the video. Do funny for the video.
No, you better put that in, Roddy.
我讨厌罗迪，他强迫我为他表演这些可怕的绿色屏幕片段。
嗨，我的名字叫夫，我喜大傻瓜，我吃狗屎，索布，四肢，空中社，奴才粉俱乐部。
I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm flying cloud nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo.
That face when you walk into IKEA and all you hear is Martin Crow.
I don't think they're. Yeah, they're on.
I pushed the demo in the pit. I pushed the demo in the pit.
I'm dead. You fucking idiot.
Then Roddy appeared out of nowhere. He sees Julio as a doo-doo zombie and runs for his life. He tries to open the door, but the door slams shut. Dennis is from across but the only thing he can do is join the doo-doo. The doo-doo zombie army has risen on October 10th, 2020. The end of humanity starts at this night. Dennis has created a monster, and it will ravage all of humanity. It will have no chance of existence. Roddy then... Then... Then Roddy couldn't hold it in any longer, so he farted so hard that it exploded the entire earth. He had no other choice. He just had to do it. And then a retard named Prince of Puerto Rico emerges from the water. He has lived through the fart nuke. He emerges from the water unscathed and prepared to repopulate the human race. He sees a person. He finds a person named Jason Kowalski. He has no other choice but to repopulate the earth.
Oh my gosh, what a retard. What an absolute retard. Welcome to Sea of Thieves, where retards can be pirates.
On us. They're coming on ship. Oh.
It's Jaden!
No, I hit our own. Jaden's in the water. Yo, what's up, Jaden? My homes. What's up, gamer? I'm sorry, but I have to kill you. Third player. Okay, what the hell? Oh, we ran into a thing. There goes our mast.
Oh, how did I teleport out of this ship?
Stop throwing up on the deck.
Oh, is that me?
No, it's Roddy over here.
Oh, what? I just. Look at it. Hey, look at
What
it.
a retard! Hey, look at the time! Look at the time! Look at the time! What time is it?
Look at it down. Look at it. Oh,
What's the time?
Look at it. Look at it.
Most expensive stuff first.
Oh
my god!
Ah! Oh my gosh! I hit one.
Which one are you shooting for? We got killed.
I got the one on the left.
Okay.
With the three!
There's a scary one.
There's four!
Oh, there's four!
You guys got this. I believe in you.
Whoa, headshot. Why can't we leave this?
Ah!
You might charge. Oh. We can't reach it. We can't.
Bro, why didn't you guys stop at your special needs?
We're just going. We're just going.
No! Go to plunder outpost. Jogo, turn around. You special needs.
You got the fish? You got the other fish?
Yes.
Send right in front of the map. Send in front of the map. The fish out.
No, not the burnt fish. You sped.
Not the burnt one. Not the burnt one. Not the charcoal one.
Okay.
That's fish.
Alright. Say cheese. Wait, hold on, I gotta put the word. Say cheese.
他妈的你们都被摧毁了！你一直叫我一个敬你，但你在我的原始力量面前发抖。
Personally, I prefer Persona! Come!
Hold up! 艾文，我希望你吃屎再见。
Here we go, off the rails. Don't you know it's time to raise our sails? It's freedom like you never knew. Don't need bags or a pass. Say a word.
Bro, we have literally one more.
You could say my hat is off to you.
Do them all.
We can zoom all the way to the moon. Wave, wide, wacky world.
You're brain dead.
Jump with me, grab coins with me. Oh yeah. Time to jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared. Jump up and your cares will soar away. And if the dark clouds start to
Look at that sun,
swirl,
dude.
you'll feel a jet of tears. So let's jump up super
I blew that.
Oh my god.
high up in the sky. It's no how we're up like fantasy. You know that you're my superstar.
Special needs.
But
Come get me, Roddy. No.
I'm gonna die, bro. I can't.
spin the wheel.
Hello, my friend. I come from Africa. Do you also come from Africa?
New world's calling out to you. Take a turn. to the cast. You know that every cast needs a crew.
I'm dancing! I'm dancing! I'm dancing! Oh my god!
I am very, very sticky.
Yo!
Gunfight, we got this in my country. We got this shitting out event. That is what we got it. We just
No, they're on their
boom, boom, wait. We come from the continent of Africa. Please, do not. We are friendly.
Cauliflower, the target clown. I don't even know what that is.
Dang it.
Oh
my god.
It's time to jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared. Jump up and your cares will soar
Respect.
away. And if the dark clouds start to swirl, don't fear to shed a tear, 'cause I'll be your one-up girl. Now listen, all you boys and girls all around the world, don't be afraid to get up and move. You know that we're all superstars. We're the ones who made it this far. Put a smile on that face. There's no time to waste.
Stop. Listen, okay? Who?
What is that noise?
The Mona Lisa.
Who?
Living with Desmond.
Ask.
Damn.
Sorry.
Nigga.
Boys are so stupid ass!
Julio then speaks Chinese and shakes hands with Xi Jinping to create an alliance against General Dr. Dennis. All of the Earth is united against Dr. General Dennis and his poop zombie army. He is unstoppable, especially against all the nuclear weapons. The poop zombie army has covered the entire North America continent, as well as Europe and Australia. There is no escape. The only thing left are the jungles of Vietnam. The last of the only survivors in the entire world have to, their habitat is the jungle of Vietnam. Soon enough, the poop army has discovered a tiny outpost and discovered that there are still humans alive.
Who are the survivors?
The survivors turn out to be Peep. He has to hide in the jungles of Vietnam and escape from the poop zombie army. He's probably on round 39 in zombies. He has to pack a punch his poop gun. He can't forget that. It's a crucial step in his success. But he gets spotted as soon as he goes to pack a punch the poop gun. He takes off in a speed of light, decimating all. Oh my gosh. Then Alga gets dropped from the atmosphere and explodes the entire Earth.
Harvest event and official maps.
I just get turned into mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella.
Swiss. I mean Swiss.
Have any other questions?
I have a question. So I'm transferring from Saudi Arabia to Boca Raton, like in a few weeks. And I was wondering how long, like, transferring process, like how long it takes.
Have you already applied?
Yeah.
Okay, so generally we would need to